Hey, it's Joey with Sun Outdoors, Ocean City, Maryland. Meet my friends, TJ and Red. Wait, why red? I see like there's so much teal.
It should be teal, but red because the wild red hair.
You used to have the red hair?
I used to have wild red hair.
And a beautiful Airstream. Let's get a tour.
Come on in. Welcome to our Airstream, Valentina, named after my grandmother.
Here we have a ceramic foot flush toilet. All your gauges are back here, so you can check out how much you have in your holding tanks, freshwater, battery, gray, all that great stuff. And also for your tanks here to turn on your hot water system. Has a nice light and full standing shower with obviously all the great features you want. Nice oxygenics sink. Globetrotter is what we have. Is a solid surface countertop, so you get a nice solid surface countertop and a huge deep sink, plenty for washing all your dishes. 3-burner stove. I changed these out. Originally came with these little grates here and all the pans would fall off, so I switched this out to a nice cast iron cooking because we do our own cooking and I love to cook, so that's a big thing. Convection microwave tucked under here. So the dinette here is what they call a U-dinette. This table will push down and there's a cushion that covers the middle, and this could become an additional sleeping area. We don't like anyone enough to bring them with us, but we can. So
my next question.
We have our bedroom. Now when you get an Airstream, they come with all these big cushions and a nice duvet cover, but we wanted to make this our own. So we were married in the Southwest. That's why we have this on our bed. And one of our happy places is the beach. So we have this, take us to the beach. Plenty of room in here. We have storage under the bed, storage up here, and 2 closets. Plenty of room in here for lounging, relaxing, anything you need. But we also have a lot of great lighting back here. So perfect place to read. And the best thing of all, the windows. And that's one of the reasons we went with Airstream, because look at this. You can see wherever you are.
It's every man's dream to find a woman that loves this RV life.
that is
And
true.
You found yourself a city girl and converted her?
He did. He
Yes.
dragged me into this lifestyle.
It wasn't easy initially. You figure you got to play your cards right. So drag her into a tent, figuring hey, that'll work for me. But the ultimate game was I've always wanted to RV around the United States since like childhood. That was like a lifetime dream. So not necessarily what she's thinking, but threw in a tent, and she can tell you what happened at that point.
The tent experience was not fun. I think we tent camped 3 times.
Yeah.
One night, a rainstorm came through, wind started blowing the tent, we had to go duck into the car. Another night, we had a lot more rain too up in upstate New York, and our tent started to leak.
Oh yeah.
And then the last straw was we were in Key West. Yes, our neighbor was snoring, and we were packed in. It was a private campground.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And you could literally hear every breath.
everything.
And
I'm offended actually. 'Cause my wife told me that I do snore. Where were you guys at?
Were you our neighbor?
Boys.
You may have been our
I
neighbor.
don't know if that was me or not.
No, we know what he looked like.
Yeah.
But she leans over, she goes to me, never again. Never again. And I had just bought a new brand new tent, so it wouldn't
leak.
And high end, all great stuff. She's like, never again. I'm like, yes. Stage set. Next, RV.
Right. So it did end up coming into our life a little earlier than expected, because like everybody else, we're like, oh, someday we want to do this, and when we retire. And then all our plans changed in 2020. Our trips that we had planned were canceled, and we didn't want to stay home.
No.
So
That was it. We had to figure out how we could still travel and enjoy, so we just moved up the timetable and just went out and did it.
started out with a little teardrop, so it was a lot smaller than this one, believe it or not.
That I
And
painted teal.
They painted teal,
Painted
yes.
teal, got to make the wife happy.
Yes.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yes. So
yeah.
it was perfect, even though it was really tiny, but we spent 10 weeks in that, and we were perfectly comfortable, because, you really don't need that much stuff.
Thank you so much once again. Red, TJ, what's the plans for the rest of the day?
I think we're gonna relax and maybe head over to the tiki bar later.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a band there tomorrow too, so we're looking forward to that.
Yep.
Maybe
Definitely
dance
gonna
the
be a
night
lot of
away,
fun.
But
That's it.
definitely a little beach time.
Give a shout out to the YouTube real quick. Come on.
So in order to do that, let's do
Our closing.
This is our closing, and this is what we do. It comes from our wedding picture in Sedona, the interlocked fingers, and our phrase is, when you're out there loving life,
Do it hitched up.
and our YouTube channel is Love and Life Hitched Up. We're on Instagram, YouTube, and all that fun stuff.
Thanks for checking out another episode of RV Cribs with Sun Outdoors. Here hanging out at Ocean City, Maryland at the Tiki Bar. Got my drink, just waiting on Red and TJ. I don't know where they went. They probably got lost. But hey, what's your favorite drink at the bar? Comment below, and while you're at it, subscribe to our YouTube. Thanks for watching.